Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are finishing off the last week before fall starts with something citrusy to celebrate the final days of summer. Organic lemon turmeric tea is a white tea based blend with a delicious flavor and wonderful health benefits. Let's start by talking about the base of this blend, our organic white tea. White tea is a lighter tea than black or green and tends to have a mildly floral flavor. White tea packs a punch of antioxidants and helps to benefit the immune system, along with heart, tooth, skin, and hair health. The prevalent health benefit of white tea is its ability to help prevent against heart disease and heart attacks. The next ingredient is organic turmeric. Turmeric is an adaptogenic ingredient widely known as a cure-all in many cultures. Turmeric's list of health benefits is a mile long, but a few are improved heart health, brain health, lessened joint pain, prevention of Alzheimer's and dementia, and boosting antioxidants. Next up is organic lemon verbena. Lemon verbena adds a lovely flavor to this blend, along with its own list of health benefits. This plant is used commonly to treat colds, flus, fever, anxiety, indigestion, obesity, and insomnia. Next up is organic lemon peel. Lemon peel is full of delicious lemon flavor, along with vitamins and minerals. Additionally, lemon peel is thought to have cancer-fighting properties and may lower your risk of cancer, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and other chronic diseases. And finally, we have organic rosehips. Rosehips are the accessory fruit of the various species of rose plants. Packed with vitamin C, this ingredient helps boost the immune system, promotes healthy skin, increases heart health, and can reduce joint pain. This tea is delicious on its own, but let's spice it up a little bit with this fun recipe. I'm going to start by putting a few teaspoons of organic lemon turmeric into my simple steeper and adding about 6 ounces of hot water. A lot of you guys requested for me to let you know when this product would be available on our website, and you can now buy the simple steeper, which I will link in the description below. This is super easy to make iced tea in this device. All I'm going to do is add ice on top of my brewed tea and then let it melt until the tea is nice and cool and ready to go. Next, I'm going to make a lavender cold foam to go with the citrus and floral notes in this tea. I'm just going to combine a couple tablespoons of heavy whipping cream with some lavender syrup and froth that until it's nice and thick and fluffy. Now we're ready to dispense our cold tea into our ice-filled cup and top it with our lavender cold foam. Not only is this beautiful to watch as the cold foam mixes into the tea, but it's also very delicious, tart, floral, and refreshing. Thanks for joining us this week for Tea of the Week. I hope that you'll give organic lemon turmeric a try and check out our simple steeper on our website. Everything you need will be linked in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!